Swadee Kap. I'm here in Thailand. I'm staying in a neighborhood now called Ratchathewi, really close to the MBK Mall. And today I just have to go get some passport photos. I bought myself a cheesy shirt because I'm in the tropics, even though it's cloudy out. And let's look around this neighborhood. If you need to get some work done. Like really high quality stuff. They have a very great standard of living in downtown Bangkok. 7-Eleven. What's this? Oh, it's banana. Fried banana.
Yes, banana.
And toast. I'm actually like losing weight, so I'm not eating, I'm fasting most of the day because I put on so much weight in Europe, eating delicious cheesy bread in Georgia, eating chocolate in Montenegro, and just indulging. One thing I love about Thailand is just all the greenery. Look at these beautiful ferns, the trees. You see this in Latin America as well, but it's not the same as Asia. Asia is really special. There's something magical about Asia. Under the bridge downtown. Oh, there's a little restaurant. What do you call it? Oh, it's a restaurant. Wow. Look at this place. What do you think? Would you come for lunch here? Maybe I'll come back later. Check it out. Here's one of the water ferries, the water taxis you can get around the channels in Bangkok. And they're not expensive either. Maybe I'll ride one of those later. Look at it go. Some interesting artwork here. Look at this. I really hope they don't ask me to wear a mask because I don't have one. Yes. And how disgusting are the masks anyway? I mean, everyone's picking their nose, scratching their butts, touching their masks all day, keeping them in their pockets for weeks. Come on, as if people are using new masks every day. They're covered in snot and grime and germs, and they're absolutely disgusting. No thanks, I'll breathe the fresh air and keep crap off my face. Thank you. So here's everything you can find in MBK. I'll just give you a look in case you're researching. Down on the ground floor you have restaurants, cafes. I'll just scan up for you so you can see. I'm on the 3rd floor. This is fashion and beauty, watches and souvenirs. I'm heading up to the 4th floor now to look at the camera section because I think that's where I can get passport photos. And then we've got furniture on 5. Stationery, I need some of that. And there's a co-working space on the 6th floor. Education, handicrafts, luggage. And then on the top here you've got the Cineplex, restaurants and specialty shops. So this is the technology area, and here you can find everything you need for your cell phone. If you need a camera, anything having to do with technology, video games is up here on the 4th floor. So I found a photography shop to take my passport photo, but they don't have the size I need for a Canadian passport. She's just checking with the boss. All right, she's gonna take my picture and make me look very professional with Photoshop and take away the shirt that looks like marijuana. Yeah. I found an art show here near the mall. The exposition is called Chaos and Calm. I'm not sure about this specific room, but take a look. What can I tell you guys? Bangkok's incredible. I'm gonna have to try out some of that wacky tobacco and come back here because there's just too much to see, too much to contemplate here in intellectual Bangkok. Okay, until next time, lagon.